Yeah. Uh, so we're gonna. I'm sorry. I don't know how to pause it. You guys, in the comments, if you do comment, can you please teach me? Okay. Let's grab our items. And let's go to mines. Hey, actually, I could give you a little tutorial on how to get to the OG map. So you need the teleport gun. You need the teleport gun. And so we're gonna go to the OG map. I'm a pretty small creator, but I have hip slot. It took me like 7 days just to get both of the hip slots. Boom. Then you want to fly up here, hit the button, make it launched all the way here, and then flung from here. Then you'll be in the map. And what you want to do is get in here and come over here. Whichever hand you want. This glitch, I don't really know if they can patch it. And you're gonna want to jump out. And you're gonna want to go to any triangle you need. Just go to whatever triangle you need. And at the very, I'm gonna go to this one. And you want to go to the top corner and you'll see a teeny tiny gap and you want to aim through it and you will get teleported in here. Okay, I messed up. I'm sorry for that. Just, you want to use the teleport gun and you want to teleport through that tiny gap. Then you can swim. You can go behind it. You just go behind this. And it's right here. And teleport in here. But if you are good, if you can do it, you can just swim into here. And then you can put all these levers on. Turn on all the levers. And then once you all of them, you can launch over here and you'll go into this. And then it will teleport you in here. Let me put it on my pocket. The teleport gun doesn't work in here. I'll give you that. And then we're gonna wanna run to this computer. And it would say a code on the top corner. It says type in og.exe, do O, then G, then copy that dot and exe. Then enter, and you'll get teleported here. I'm not very an OG, but I know the ways because I've done this before. And you're gonna want to go to this computer over here. You gotta click login, and you'll get teleported there. Then you just want to walk over here. I've already done this before, so I have the shirt. It's just, there will be a shirt right here. you can hold this, redeem and equipped, and yeah, and you'll get that. You'll start with 100 nuts and as many, I don't know how many company coins, it's just, yeah, that's how you get in. If you want to go back to the new map, you can click any of these. I click adventure to go to the new map. Then if you wanna go back to the OG map, you gotta click that twice. Then you wanna type in the same code again, OG.exe. Then you get teleported back to the OG map. You have sewers and all types of stuff. Well, that's the end of the video, and thank you for watching if you do. See ya.